right, so now we're going to create our paths for our orange. You want to make sure to select your pen tool, which is Quick Key P as in path. I'm going to click on A, then I'm going to click on B and pull. Go to C and pull to the open circle. Go to D and pull. Go to E and pull. F, G. Now on G, I don't want to pull. I want to go to H and pull open. Go to I, pull, J, hold down the shift key to make a straight line to K, L, and O, pull, M, N, and A to create a closed path. Now the other thing, if you want to make an adjustment, you can use the direct selection tool and the indirect selection tool to adjust your paths. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit between C and D, and you can see if I pull down, I can adjust that path a little bit more. And so selection, direct selection and indirect selection tool. You can also move that path around and get it in alignment a little bit tighter. So you can make your adjustments using those tools. I'm going to go back to Command 0. Whoops. To zoom out. All right, so make your adjustments according to your paths, and we'll continue on our segment. Also, I forgot to say, when you use for this selection on the paths, make sure to put it on path. You could do shape, but we don't want shape, we want path. All right,